Wagwan family, welcome back to the TG Inside Jamaica TV. You don't know your place for everything Jamaica. So today we are diving into something truly special. Yeah man, Jamaican Bush Remedies. And for generations, our ancestors have been using natural herbs to heal the body. So today, we'll explore some of the more popular ones, their uses, and we'll also look at how cultural heritage keeps these traditions alive. Hey man, stick around. Grab a cup of tea. Let's go. Now in Jamaica, bush medicine isn't just about healing. It's a way of life. It's passed down through multiple generations. And these natural remedies come from our African and Taino ancestors. We have remedy from colds to stomachache, even for high blood pressure. If you ask and go around Jamaica, there's practically a bush remedy for almost everything. Now let us look at some of the more popular bush remedies in Jamaica. First up, Cerasee, or Cerasee as Jamaicans call it. And this is popularly used mostly as a detox and for skin health. Now Cerasee is one of Jamaica's more popular and famous herbs. It is known for a bitter taste, yeah man, trust me on that. But it works wonders for cleansing the blood, lowering blood sugar, and even helping with certain skin conditions. And a cup of Cerasee tea can help with digestion. Just don't drink too much, cause this is very strong. Next up, fever grass, or more popularly known around the world as lemongrass. This is more used for fever and relaxation. And as a child, me personally, we used to love the flavor of this one. You know when my mother used to make that hot cup of tea and then cool it and put in a milk mug? Yeah, this is one I did like. So fever grass, also known as lemongrass, is a go-to remedy for fevers and colds. Just boil it into a tea and it helps break a fever, soothe the stomach and relax the body. Yeah, man. Next up, Guinea Hen Weed. And I tell you people, this one is a very potent and powerful herb. This is mostly used for pain and inflammation. Guinea Hen Weed is used for everything from pain relief to boosting the immune system. That's why Jamaican call this one of the powerhouses. Some people will even say this have other, more potent fighting properties that helps the body with other things. But pain and inflammation is what I normally see people use it for. Now you can drink this as a tea, or as some people will use the leaves externally for pain relief, or just smell the root. Bear in mind this is very strong. Next up, Leaf Alive. This is mostly used for cough, colds and breathing issues. And this plant is like a miracle plant because basically anywhere you put the leaf, it grows, which is probably why Jamaicans call it Leaf Alive. But Leaf Alive is great for colds, asthma and coughs, as I said. And this can be chewed, like you get the leaves and you just chew the leaf, or you use the leaf and make some tea, or even crush it and apply it to wounds. Next up, we have Dandelion. And this is mainly used for liver and kidney health. Now Dandelion isn't just a weed. It's a powerful herb that is used for cleansing the liver and kidneys. And many Jamaicans use it in teas to flush toxins from the body. Now there are many other plants that Jamaicans use as bush remedies. Some of these include guava leaf, soursop leaf, mango leaf, things like surge me heart, and all these kind of plants that Jamaicans use. And I know many of you know these plants, so just include some of these in the comments which part you use, or your parents use, or your grandparents use, or you just hear about. Just include them in the comments. Yeah man. Thank you. Now let us look at the role of our elders in the community in regards to bush remedies in Jamaica. Now our elders are the keepers of this knowledge. And in many communities, people still go to their granny or an old herb, an old herb man or herbalist instead of pharmacy. You still have that in a certain rural areas, especially when it comes to certain basic things like, you get a cold or you have a fever or something like that. And these people, they know which plant to use, they know how to prepare it, and even when to take it. And they'll tell you exactly how to do this. And like some of the old people will tell you, some of the elders will tell you, they don't grow up with no pharmacy, you don't know, then use bush. And my grandmother and great grandmother and many others, them grew up knowing how to use things like Cerasee when their stomach not feel right. And many of them still use it today. Now all this would be just a matter of folklore if in today's world, which is a modern world, more technological advance, we weren't seeing signs that modern science is now proving that many of what our ancestors already knew about these plants is true, that many of these plants have real medicinal properties. That's why you are seeing so many natural teas and herbal supplements in stores now, even outside of Jamaica. But this is a big and important point. Not because something is natural doesn't mean it should be used carelessly. Yeah, man. Don't just mean say because you hear say a plant can use for something, you don't just run and go do. Always do your research. And if you have medical conditions, definitely talk to your professional, talk to your GP, talk to your doctor before using any of these herbs. Because as you know, one thing that works for one person may not work for another. So definitely get professional help before using any of these things. So there you have it, family. Jamaican bush medicine is powerful, rich in history, and still help many people today. So what's your favorite bush remedy? And if you really enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We are a growing community, and as you can see, when you go around the channel, you see that it's definitely more of the culture and more of the good things about Jamaica. Yes, we're promoting that. But there's also lifestyle and other things here. So one love to you and your families. Many blessings and thanks for making it our channel again. And we look forward to seeing you on the next one.